This leave-in is going to grow your hair. It's going to add shine to your hair. If you have a dry hair, guys, this video is suitable for you. It's just going to soften your hair, guys. Look at the magic this leave-in is doing on my hair. Guys, I don't need to stretch myself to comb this hair. Just apply a reasonable amount of this leave-in on your hair and it's going to do the magic for you. Guys, stay tuned and watch this video. So we're going to be doing our leave-in, and this is aloe vera gel. It's rich in vitamin C, E, B12 and folic acid that helps hair growth, cleanses your scalp and conditions your hair, thereby reducing the chance of hair breakages. So I'll be adding shea butter. This is a melted shea butter. Moisturize and strengthen damaged hair, prevent dryness and itching of the scalp, protect hair from UV rays and give your hair a healthy shine. So I've added 5 tablespoons of shea butter. I'm going to, this is a DIY and it's palm kernel oil. Conditions your hair thoroughly. It thickens hair and reduces hair fall by making it stronger. I added 1 teaspoon of palm kernel oil. Coconut oil contains saturated fat which help protect hair against damage, prevent dandruff and promote hair growth. It's suitable for all hair types. I added 2 teaspoons of coconut oil to the mixture, and this is a DIY that I made. This is a castor oil I made myself. I already have a video of it. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of castor oil. It's extracted from the castor bean containing a fatty acid known as ricinoleic acid. This compound is thought to help promote hair and scalp health, improve moisture, reduce oxidative stress and prevent scalp infections. This is a glycerin. Conditions damaged hair and preventing breakage, as well as hydrating the scalp. It leaves the hair shinier and less prone to split ends. This is a DIY oil I did myself. This DIY contains a lot of hair growth herbs that is going to make your hair grow very fast. I do not have the video yet, but I will soon upload a video of this DIY. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 vitamin E capsules. It helps repair damaged hair, reduce hair breakage, and improve your hair's elasticity, and it adds shine to your hair. Is my tea tree oil. It contains antibacterial and antifungal properties, and they are very variable in fighting dandruff and head lice. It also helps stop itching scalp. So that is all that I'll be adding to the aloe vera gel. So if you have any other hair growth oil, you can add it to it. Guys, I do not have emulsifying wax here, so I need to do this homemade and very simple leave-in, and this is going to help promote your hair growth. And guys, because of this, I'm going to keep this in the fridge for just 5 minutes for it to look a little bit thickening before I start blending it. This way is going to help quicken the whole process. After 5 minutes of being in the fridge, this is how it's going to look like. Now, can you see the consistency? So now I'm going to put this in a big bowl, and then I'm going to whisk it. This is the consistency that I'm getting right now, so I'm going to be scooping. Is it scooping? I'm going to just take the one on the bowl and add it to the main leave-in so that I can blend all of them together again and then get the consistency that I want. So I'm going to blend again. So this is the second blending, and guys, I think I'm okay with this consistency right now. I'm okay with it, so I'll just go ahead and put this in a bowl, and then we start our application. So this is our leave-in conditioner, guys. This is how it's going to look like. It is okay if you see some water on it, and this is happening because there wasn't any emulsifying wax, but it is okay to use it. It's still going to work perfectly well for the hair. So guys, can you see the consistency? Use this leave-in in your hair. I'm going to part the hair into smaller sizes and then use the leave-in on my hair from the root to the tip of the hair. Guys, use this leave-in, moisturize this hair with your leave-in. Massage your hair very well, guys. Make sure that you add enough of this leave-in on your hair, and make sure that the tip of the hair is super moisturized because it is prone to danger. And if you're going to moisturize this very well, it's going to stop all the splits and then the breakage. So massage this hair very well, and then rub your fingers through it. Make sure that all parts of the hair is receiving this treatment, guys. There is no preservative in this leave-in, so the main idea was to do this for the day. I was going to use everything for the day, but in case you are left with some, you can keep the rest of your leave-in in the fridge to store it for about a week or two, because of the presence of the vitamin E is going to take quite some time to go bad. When you use this leave-in on your hair very well, you realize that even without using a comb, you're able to detangle your hair just by using your fingers on your hair. Just leave-in is going to soften your hair, is going to add moisture, is going to grow your hair, is going to leave your hair very thick, is going to prevent dandruff, guys, is going to add shine. This leave-in comes with a lot of benefit. That is why you need this in your hair to get the best out of your hair. I am consuming the leave-in, guys, because I haven't been able to treat my hair for almost 3 months because I had a braid on, and I want my hair to get all the nutrient that I wasn't able to give to it throughout the 3 months. Guys, so if you are watching me up to this length, guys, thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Share this video so that YouTube can continue to recommend this video to wider audience. Like it, and then leave your comments about what you think about this leave-in, guys. Until then, I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you so much.